Ready to make your Aisensy profile stand out and build instant trust with your customers. First, open the Aisensy app on your mobile device and locate the profile icon. It's usually in the top corner of your screen, so go ahead and tap it. This takes you to your profile page, where you'll see your current profile picture, or if you haven't added one yet, a default image. Look for the option to edit or update your profile picture. This may be represented by a pencil icon or a button labeled Edit Profile. Tapping on Edit Profile will bring you to the screen where you can customize your profile details. Here, focus on the profile picture section. Now, tap on the profile picture area again. A menu will pop up, giving you the choice to either take a new photo directly with your camera or select an existing image from your phone's gallery. If you have a professional headshot readily available, then choose to pick an image from your gallery. Go through your albums and select the photo you want to use for your Aisensy profile. Once you've chosen your photo, you will be prompted to crop it to fit the profile picture dimensions. Use the cropping tool to center your face and make sure the important details are visible. After you're satisfied with the crop, tap the Save or Apply button or any similar confirmation option. And that's it. Your new profile picture is now visible on your Aisensy profile. This simple update enhances your brand recognition and makes your interactions on WhatsApp more personal and trustworthy. Your customers will now see your professional image when you message them, creating a more engaging and reliable experience. Good job on personalizing your Aisensy profile.